Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get all future updates. So today's video is a very interesting one, so please stay tuned till the end. In today's video, we are going to make three beautiful pair of earrings in less than 10 minutes, and you don't have to worry. All the material that I am using today in the video are all available on our website www.naughtythreads.com, so please do check on that. And now let's get started. So this is the first one we'll be making. Very lightweight daily wear earrings, very pretty, very easy to make, and it looks very nice when you wear it on jean or kurtis. So for this you will need a hook, a piece of chain like this, a jump ring, eye pin, any kind of beads. I have used 2 pearls and 1 crystal. You can use any beads you have, and it can be made in any color. And you will also need our regular tools. So first what I'll do is I'll fix the jump ring to the hook and chain. So one end I am going to add the hook, and this chain I have actually measured and I have cut. You can cut it to any length you want. You want it to be a little short, you can make it short, or if you want it long, you can make it long. So now that I have added both, I'm going to close this. Press it tight so that the chain doesn't come out. So now it should look like this. It's very simple to make. It will hardly take any time. Yeah, I forgot to mention, you will also need any metal charm like this. I have used spikes here. You can, if you don't have the exact same thing, you can replace it with something similar. So I'm opening the eye of the eye pin here, and I'm just going to add this charm and close it back. Now add 1 pearl, a red crystal, and a pearl again. Now we'll bend this to 90 degrees. Trim off the excess, make a loop. To make a loop, it is always nice to have a round nose plier like this, and then you can add the other end of this metal chain. And close the loop, and that's it. Our earring is ready to wear. So it is this simple, and you can pair it with any necklace also. If you have any ideas to make a crystal necklace like this, you can simply pair it with that. It is absolutely lightweight. Even if you wear it every day, I'm sure you won't regret. So now let's move to the second one. So here's the second one. It's very simple to make again, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I just love this, especially because of this antique piece here. So what we'll need here is any bead like this which has a hole to pass the eye pin. We'll need an eye pin, a hook, and pearl link chain. So when you make necklace or anything like that and you have pieces of pearl link chain left, you can actually use them like this to make something creative. So I have used this length, which I've just counted 10 pearls here. So 5 this side and 5 this side. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to just cut the length with 10 pearls. Just trim this. First of all, we'll open the eye and fix the pearl link chain so that it will be easy. And then we'll add this metal bead and bend this to 90 degree, trim the excess and loop it. Before you completely close the loop, we'll add the other end of the pearl link chain and then close the loop. So it's almost ready. Now just figure out the center. So you'll have to divide 5 beads this side and 5 beads this side. Then fix the hook and our second earring also is ready. So it is this simple. So close the hook and it's done. Looks very pretty and it also has a little bit of that ethnic touch. I'm sure all of us love pearls, so you guys must try it. So the last one is very interesting. I have kept the best in the end. So here it is. It's a very pretty pearl link tassel earrings. Looks very ethnic. You can pair it with any party wear dresses or saris. The length is absolutely your choice. I have kept it a little long because I like it long. So to do this, you will need antique bead, or you can use any bead you want. If you don't have any, you can simply use pearls or crystals. And you will also need a hook, jump ring and eye pin along with small pearls like this. So I have already measured the pearl link chain. I have counted 10 beads because this is the length I wanted. If you want just half, you can count 5 beads and cut it. So I have 10 pieces of 10 beads each. So first off, what we'll do is we'll add all these to the jump ring. So I'm going to open the jump ring like this and just keep adding all the pearl link chains here, one by one. So I have added all 10 link chains here. So before I close it, I'm going to also add a eye pin and then close it. Close the jump ring. Press it tight, otherwise the pearl link might tend to come out. So it should look like this. Then to this eye pin, I'm going to just add one small pearl, one antique bead and a small pearl again. I didn't want to add any colors so that it matches with every dress. So that is why I have just kept it like pearl and antique. If you want, you can add any bead. Now trim the excess. Loop it and add a hook. So it is so simple to make and it will almost get ready in less than 5 minutes if you have whatever you need in hand. So all the material related to this is available on our website naughtythreads.com. You can also download the app and order whatever you want for yourself. So here all 3 earrings are ready within 10 minutes. Can you believe that, guys? In less than 10 minutes you have made amazing daily wear or party wear earrings for yourself. So that's all in today's video, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel, keep sharing our videos with your friends, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.